Stop bullying. What is bullying? Bullying is aggressive behavior that is intentionally and repeatedly directed at someone who is weaker or more vulnerable. The goal of bullying is usually to hurt, intimidate, or humiliate the victim. Types of bullying. Types of bullying that involve aggressive behavior are carried out intentionally to hurt the victim. Here are 3 examples of each type of bullying. Verbal bullying. Insulting someone's appearance, name-calling, mocking weaknesses. Physical bullying. Hitting or kicking, shoving, damaging personal property. Social bullying. Isolating someone, laughing at someone, excluding from social groups. Why does bullying happen? Bullying can occur for a variety of reasons, both individual and environmental. Here are some reasons why bullying can occur. Media and popular culture. Feelings of frustration or anger. Environmental or family influences. Lack of understanding and empathy. Impact of bullying on victims. The impact of bullying on victims can be enormous and have long-lasting consequences, physically, emotionally, and socially. Short-term impact. Short-term effects usually occur immediately after the bullying incident and can last for a relatively short time. Long-term impact. Long-term effects can persist long after the bullying incident. They can affect the victim's life for a longer period of time, even into adulthood. Impact of bullying on perpetrators. The impact of bullying on the perpetrator not only affects the victim, but can also have a major impact on the perpetrator himself, both in the short and long term. These consequences may impact their relationships, behavior, and even their future opportunities. How to avoid bullying. Preventing bullying requires a collaborative effort from individuals, communities, and institutions such as schools or workplaces. Here are some ways to prevent bullying. Increase empathy and caring. Dare to stop bullying. Building an inclusive environment. Education about bullying. Use technology wisely. Awareness of the impact of bullying. The role of schools and parents. Role of schools. Create clear anti-bullying policies, conduct training for students and teachers. The role of parents. Teach the values of empathy from an early age. Monitor children's social interactions. What to do if you are a victim of bullying. Report to an adult or authorities. Avoid risky situations. Seek emotional support. Stay calm and avoid retaliation. By taking these steps, you can begin to protect yourself and cope with the effects of bullying in a healthier and safer way. Positive messages to stop bullying. Message. Everyone has the right to be respected and treated well. Invitation. Start caring, stop bullying, and build a better environment. Conclusion and call to action. Conclusion. Bullying is a destructive behavior that can have long-term effects on both victims and perpetrators. Call to action. If you witness or experience bullying, don't stay silent. Stand up for change, support the victim, and help stop bullying in our community. Thank you.